Hey, I'm Andre, Head Account Manager here at Bulldog. I want to talk about our landing pages and how they can benefit your Google AdWords campaign. So, what's a landing page? When a visitor clicks on a pay-per-click ad, they're taken to a landing page, a web page whose sole purpose of existence is to entice people to take an action. If done well, this could be the most effective marketing weapon in your arsenal. The main goal of a landing page is to collect the user's contact details or make a purchase without any distraction. Why do you need a landing page? The short answer is because they help to increase your conversion rates. We've perfected this process and our landing pages increase conversions by 40% on average. If you consider the example of sending traffic to your homepage versus a standalone landing page, you can understand that your homepage is designed with a more general purpose in mind. It speaks more to your overall brand and corporate values and is typically loaded with links and navigation to other areas of your site. Every link on your page that doesn't represent your conversion goal is a distraction, and that would dilute your message and reduce your conversion rate. So to sum this up, we create a highly converting landing page to improve your conversion rate, which means an even higher return on your investment.